Kani kedai bati CTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, belawan Rashapi daga BDW International School Shillong, day boarding and daycare. Admissions open. Ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Haka khatsan tarek menta unai luar arajar arpo. O Menteri Sarkar kani ke jilla ubakmi yakatnat ka kot ka khia uba AL heng ula Plie pajba yakashnat jong ka Woodland Hospital hakashnong Sabah Muswang West Jaintia District kabulatep kum ka Woodland WK Hospital ringkat ke jinonlang MLA ke Jowai constituency uba wailat miki shilla ubralong sumbor kongsan hakani ke jinyalang lai ringkat ru director jong katnat ka kot ka khia u Dr. Amanwar Managing Director jangka Woodland Hospital Dr. Werlock Khashieng bat kiwede ki balasa khosobha da kajingdan kanik hospital kan long shisha kajingker khu ka bakrau ye kinong snong kanik kathan kumchu ye kinong nong wan lengba ka surok ba national highway.
Now this is a 108 bedded hospital. We started this hospital in January 2017 and we are supposed to complete the construction of this hospital during the March-April, but because of this pandemic of COVID-19 we were so handicapped that it was really difficult for me and for the contractors who has taken up this project to complete the construction of this hospital. Now this is a 108 bedded hospital. We have only 3 new features which nowhere in Meghalaya. These 3 new features which we have added in this hospital. Number 1, that we have installed, you know that in a hospital there is always a fear of pollution. You see the Shnong also, the Rangba Shnong always is telling me that doctor, have you taken care of pollution of the environment? I said, okay, you wait. Now we have completed the installation of what is called ETP, STP to take care of the liquid waste that is generated from the hospital. Now the unique feature of this, that the water which has been discharged after the process of cleaning the polluted water is being recycled back into the cisterns of the flush system, so that you see the water is not wasted. So at the same time we prevent pollution of the environment. We also conserve water, which is also very important. The second thing that we have done is we have installed, I think for the first time in Meghalaya also, we have installed an oxygen generator. You know, this place is, no one is making oxygen or manufacturing oxygen in Meghalaya. We all have to get it from Guwahati, that is the nearest place, or from Silchar. And especially during this pandemic, I think you have seen in the newspaper that there is so much of shortage of oxygen in the country, because so many people suffering from severe symptoms of COVID-19 disease required oxygen. So now in this remote location, we have an oxygen generator. Therefore, we will not bother much, since the generator will generate oxygen for our patients. And You know, this is a multi-speciality hospital. We have the investigations which are very basic and important for the people, which are common investigation like ultrasound scanning, like endoscopy, like blood test, X-ray, CT scan. These are the main investigative investigation that we have. And you know, all these years, the people from this district, Jaintia Hills, they have to go all the way to Shillong to get these tests done. But now with the facilities that will be available in this hospital, I think it will ease to a great extent for the people of Jaintia Hills not to go to Shillong.
It is a boon, in fact, for all the people in and around Jaintia Hills. And it will be good for the other medical institutions. For now, you have the competition. The public-private partnership must come together, must continue to further better services to the people. We hope that the people of Jaintia Hills and the surrounding areas nearby will take full advantage of this hospital. And get the maximum services.
Katkum kejing yo I kejonga. Ya ka perthai pementa. Ngim de don kam sho shibon ya ki doktor Henry ni don kam ki briu kum doktor Kharsien. Uber yo I jengai ban set up kum ya ke hospital. Nganong pi doktor ndai tang mafi ba Trang ban kani hospital kan pleno Henry Barok kinong shnong jongka ndai tang West Jaintia Hills Henry Barok ka Jaintia Hills kila ap khmi ya kani hospital pakan pleno namar hoi ngamong bah hapo district ngimdon ki hospital hoi ni don tang bah ka pertai ke bementa ki briu kila ya be ba ya ki specialist kim hunsho tang ha ki MBBS kila kwa baik ban wat ki specialist ki bachelor te ngangai scam wada kejing wan jong kini ke hospital ka ba mdai shu la dong menta ka sngi ong hoi ni play kini ke hospital ka bathamai handrai nim dai ban snyo thok bakla ka nim dai ka bathamai mdai ka bathamai kani ka dai ka bala play na do snem 1991 mo kani ka dai kene ka banta jong ka dai Woodland hospital ka bala ai ka jing shakri kabala ai ki service kabala ki phau tuli ki snem kabala safe ya da ki hajar ki life.
I know short while from now we are going to be officially inaugurating this hospital, which will be given immensely services to the people of this area. At the same time, my friend Dr. Kharsien not is going only setting up this hospital. He has created the assets. This asset that what he has created is not for himself or for his family, but he has created this asset for the service to the people of this entire area. Bagibriyo kinum lutan amnesty long bagibriyo kinum lutan kapor but kapisa nagabalik sumar sitish Shalom. Everything will be given, all the benefits and the services within this place only in the Woodland WK Hospital. Ngingit igata ba kanig hospital kan ai gijingir ku ka bakrao dan wanda gijinon kam jong kani gishnong but haka juga boru he has created employment, he is the employer. He has created so many employment that said by the wahe of the shnong but proper percent 80% of the workers of this hospital has been given job to the people of this particular locality. Well, I do yang kami jang proposen nagi beriu jom kini ka jagahi jom kini kisnonghi. Tinggal long sisa ka jinggerku nagi mentagi bobun ba ki nong na mentagi bobun ba ki beriu jom kini kisnong ki belayu kam yo jam belayu ban pet ela ka jom kini ngesem lingba kini ka hospital. Tingit ba kini ka hospital kalong ka jinggerku ka bokraw nagi mentagi bobun ba ki beriu jong kini kisnong kini ka tan ki besong ka basa berkalong ruka jinggerku nak mentah ki balik bawan ki mau kani kani national highway. There's so many people are going from this national highway from Shillong, Jawai to other places. There also will be immensely benefit through this hospital. Tengangit ba kani hospital kan long ka jing mentoy nam tagi babon ki balang bat kan long ka jing mentoy nak mentah ki ba ya balik bawan nak kani jaga ba stuck away ka bangga kwa ban ong nak mentah kini ki doctors ki berada ni. Doctors who are here who are going to be giving the services to this hospital. You know, all the patients who are coming to see you, many of them, they are impatient. But if the doctors become impatient, then the doctor become patients. Tinggal group ni balada ki baru kinompang ibuan sini ni kinompang mapli kilong restless, kilong impatient. Tila da kinompang kilong impatience, tila da doktor kilong impatience, tingmut ki doktor ki impatience. Tila da daw kerpa di ki baro, but you should have the tolerance power. Kadi bandon ka bor jong ka jing sngoto ka jong ki. Kumno ban ai ka jing shakri, how you can serve the people. How you can serve the people not only in this area, anybody is coming to you, whether they are from the affluent family or they are from the poor family or from any kind of family. The services has to be treated equally to each one of them. Nobody can be given discrimination or partially to anybody. Jadi when I get joke jing shagri, ya no ki buan na ki buan na ki yeng ki badan ba ya, lagi wan ki yeng badok, na ki wan ki yeng ki bakum doru. Ka jing shagri hi ki belong equal to all.
I take my privilege and honor to inaugurate this hospital, Woodland Hospital of Jaintia. Under the of local money, to inaugurate this hospital to make use of benefit of the people at large. Congratulations to Dr. Garsheng and family.